Yo, what's up? Good evening. Good evening, guys. Tara. Nasaan yung poke ng mga finger slip ko? Naubos na ata. Makita naka-shades kasi.
Your team is banning. Please ban a hero. The enemy is picking.
Yo, what's up? Tara, G. Bumaba na win rate ko dito, gagi. Bumaba yung win rate ko kay Julian Bar. 73 to ano.
That breaks through the darkness.
Bagay mababa pa naman yung matches kaya mahabol pa natin yun. Mapapataas pa natin.
I am more the only weapon.
Hello, what's up? Yo, what up? Shoutout sa mga viewers, guys. Shoutout sa inyo, magandang gabi.
Still waters run deep.
Parak naman ako ng live stream, guys. Parak naman ako ng live stream. Libre lang ang reaction, guys. Walang bayad dyan. Makapag-grind tayo ng mga gaga para makapag-immortal tayo ngayon, season. Late na kasi ako nakapaglaro nung last time.
Your team is picking.
My kiss grants you immortality or death.
Hello, my friend.
The enemy is picking.
Tara. Open speaker tayo, mga lods. Palit nga ako ng IGN sa susunod. Lagyan natin page natin para madaling mapalaw. Diba?
My magic flows as freely as the
Team is
wind.
picking.
Yo, what up? Shoutout sa mga viewers, guys. Para ako kung live stream, guys, and then pa-notify naman ako. Thank you very much. Open speaker lang kayo, guys. Wag na kayo mag-mic. Nagpi-feedback sa live. Guys. Wag na kayo mag-mic. Speaker lang, enough. Ay, ano na. Okay na ako yung speaker lang, guys. Yo, what's up? Para ako ng live stream. Para naman ako ng live stream. Sa mga bagong followers natin dyan na nadaanan ng live, guys, na hindi pa sa bagong viewers natin na hindi pa nakakapag-follow, guys, pa-follow naman ako ng live tapos pa-iwanan na ako ng react. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa support, guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Pag pumaldo tayo dito, pag nabigyan tayo ni Mobile Legends ng... Pag na-sponsoran tayo, guys, mamimigay tayo ng skin.
Name is Julian. No questions asked.
Tropa lang muna, tanga na naman eh. Tropa lang, tropa lang. Gago ka.
Quit it.
Tropa lang. Tropa lang muna tayo. Bah, di mo gusto ka pa ah.
It is
Ah, mas
black.
pulahan, sayang. Kung nakadala ako ng baba. Kumukulit ka.
First blood.
Kulit ka eh. Ay!
Been slain.
Yoy, Shark kay RJ. Yo, pare. Shout out to you, par. Kamusta?
I find clarity.
Para kayo share naman ang live stream, guys. Sa mga gusto i-share yung live stream
What
natin.
for?
Tropa lang kasi tayo muna. Gagi ka naman eh.
Purify.
An enemy has been slain.
Turtle. Turtle, advance tayo, turtle, guys.
On alert.
Launch attack. Battle spell in cooldown.
Turtle.
Break.
Turtle na.
Danger.
Wala stick.
Addictive.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Ang sakit, pukin ng ina mo.
Don't run.
Double kill.
Pitch black.
Enemy double kill.
Ito, okay lang din.
Enemy
Very
triple
well.
kill.
Sino ba yung core natin?
It didn't hurt.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Ayusin nyo. Mag-open speaker kayo para marinig nyo kaagad.
Dominated.
Ano tayo, guys eh.
Chain up. Where to?
Para mabilis tayo manalo. Walang setter eh.
Break.
Rest po agad para ano. Bis tayo mag-rank up. Di ako nakapag-grind last time eh.
The snow.
Dito magpapa-immortal tayo. Top. Nandito yan sa akin yan. Nasa akin yan.
Memory.
Ay na, wala nang SS yan oh.
It's me.
Patay ito.
An enemy has been
Ito pa. Kumukulit. Stun mo.
Purify.
Tanga na. Niyakap. Sige, palag lang. Patay yan.
shut down. Double kill. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Red. Kuha red. O short K tier.
Break.
Kuha red ng ano oh. Blue kaya. Kunin mo, Karina.
Sorry.
Break.
Pwede tayo mag-turtle oh.
I
Attack
need
the turtle.
it.
Yung kinuha yung blue ng ano. Turtle agad!
Colors.
Turtle agad!
You have been slain. An enemy has been slain. Mega kill.
Ang baduy talaga kapag random yung kalaro nyo, eh, no?
Has been slain.
Ang baduy kapag random yung mga kalaro mo, guys. Di mga marunong makinig. Buwan ng ina. Shit!
Your team destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy. Attack the turtle. Has slain the turtle.
Wala na, puki na ngayon. Nasa yung retry. Sa amin mo papatak yung turtle. Patay na naman ako.
You have been slain.
Pitch black. It didn't hurt.
Okay.
Hirap maglaro kapag random, guys. Puro magagaling.
Completes me.
Magagaling ano? Mga di nakikinig. Ito patay to.
An enemy has been slain. Unstoppable. Shut down.
Baklang, baklang. Baklang muna. Wala ko skill. Palag, palag.
An enemy has been slain.
What?
You have
Nice
slain
one.
an enemy.
Ito pa, pwede pa to.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
The snow. I recall.
Mia, Mia, pwede to, Mia, oh. One-hit combo lang to, eh. Nakita ko, ah.
Where to?
Push.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tumalon, tumalon! Wala na ano yan, ha. Panset yan, ha. Wala na. Ay, wala nang talon yan, ha.
What?
Pasukin nyo muna. Yung ano lang.
Serves the purpose. Chain up!
You have slain an enemy.
Ulit ka.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been
Push,
destroyed.
push. Tapos, Lord na, Lord na.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has
Mia.
been destroyed. Attack the Lord.
Where to?
Lord, Lord, Lord. Labas nyo, labas nyo. Labas mo yung Lord. Kinangin naman, labas mo. Ilabas mo.
Initiate retreat.
Kinang ina mo. Puta, tagal mo na nag-MM. Ay, nag-MM, nag-ML.
Ally has slain Lord.
Done.
Patay ako, par.
Quit it.
An ally has been slain.
Patay ako.
Enemy double kill.
Taka na, pag naglo-Lord kayo, di nyo nilalabas yung Lord. Para kayong mga bata mag-ML, guys.
Initiate retreat. Killing spree.
Nice one.
Double kill.
I find clarity.
Walang niya.
Your team destroyed.
Putam.
Destroyed a turret.
Sayang lang yung Lord natin. Hindi mo lang tayo nakabasag ng ano.
Danger. Addictive.
Thank you.
May ano may kupra, may kupra.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Don't run.
Sige, buhay ako. Palag!
Mega kill.
Take up. Quit it. Purify.
Huli to.
What for?
Niya.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Nice one. Ito pa yung core. Sukin ko Kill mo nga ako.
Chain up.
Nabot na, pasok na. Joke lang.
Where to?
You have been slain. Unstoppable.
Nako po! Yo, what's up? Nako po sa mga ampe. Puro na bading. Nababading na. Ayaw na magsipasok, par.
Your team
Parang kala mo naman talaga kapag namatay, mamamatay na lifetime, par.
It didn't hurt. Break. Closing in.
Retreat na, wait na lang ng Lord.
monster kill.
Huwag na paubos, wait ng Lord. Endable na pala,
Triple kill. Shut
Yung
down.
puki ng ina mo, alam mo may Lord, magbida-bida ka pala dyan.
Black. You see.
Ganito lang maglo-Lord, lalabas lang. Labas mo pa, konti pa. Hirap kasi madali matalunan dyan kapag gumilid lang yung core o kaya kung sino man may damage
An ally has slain
Play next game, brother.
Nice and clean. Break. On alert.
Retreat na, huwag na kayo dyan. Tumalon yung kupra. Pwede to, masikip to. Sayang.
No questions.
Initiate retreat.
Sabay sa Lord.
Purify.
May ret ako
Where to?
Sorry! Utang na, wala man lang nabasa.
What for? Break.
Hindi man lang nabasa, grabe.
Don't.
An enemy has
Ikaw.
been slain.
Basag to. Basag.
Double kill.
Basagin na to. May putang ina mo, di
Ally
kaya.
has been slain.
What for?
Yung bot to.
Initiate retreat.
Ang 14 minutes na. Tagal ng laro.
Break. No warmth here. Don't run. Chain up.
Shut down. An ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. An ally has been slain.
Purify.
You have been slain.
Sayang. Tang inang tagal maglaro.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Our base is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Putang inang yan. Nice!
Defeat.
Putang ina, mga hindi marunong makinig ang bobong puta. Kaloka. Itong ayaw ko sa ML eh. Putang ina, pag hindi 5 man yung laro eh. Bugok lang yung ano eh. Nakakabobo eh. Lalaro na ata si Lorenzo. Pag hindi 5 man yung laro, guys, nakakabobo sa ML, promise. Putang ina. Kana bobo ka din maglaro eh. Tatagal nyo maglaro. Puta, rank game lang to, par. Pinapatagal nyo pa. Sayang win rate ko dun ah. Common sense lang, par. Open speaker, mga tanga.
Your team is banning. Your team is banning.
Ay, magsipag open speaker ang puki ng ina kanina eh. Pinapatagal yung laro eh. Kala mo naman talaga nasa Immortal eh.
Your team is picking.
Atlas. Atlas, par, Atlas.
Test. Alpha is
The
online.
enemy is
Okay lang yan. Puta,
I am
baba
the
na ng win rate
moonlight that
ko.
breaks through the darkness.
Baba na ng win rate ko sa Julian, puki ng ina. 50%?
This time, the choice
Please
is
pick a
mine.
hero.
All shall succumb to my
I
power.
am more than a
Is
weapon.
picking.
Dali lang manalo dito eh. Baka nang ina, pinapahirapan pa ng mga player eh. Player na nagpapahirap sa mga bawat laro eh. Sila din.
My inner
Nagpapahirap
light
sa larong
will
to.
instruct me.
Puta, common sense lang kailangan dito. Kailangan lang ano eh. Kailangan lang meron magko-command.
Power of Pegasus!
Your team is
O
picking.
sinong hero yan?
As fleeting
Ganesh,
as a
Ganesh,
snowflake's breath, as timeless as a glacier's heart.
I am vengeance
The enemy is
incarnate.
picking.
I fear no kraken, for I am the invincible Lancelot.
Tanga na 50% na yung Julian ko. Tang inang yun. Bad trip. Nalustrik hanip. Dali lang mag ML eh. Pinapahirapan pa. Babak to codem ako nito eh.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed.
Uy, short kay Tia Musa.
Julian.
Codem ako nito. Puka ng ano eh. Nakaka-stress dito sa ML. Di mga marunong makinig eh. May mga sariling mundo eh. Dali-dali ng ML eh. Tamang makinig ka lang eh.
What for?
Kasi ito.
Don't run.
Okay, mamaya. Pa-level 3 lang ako.
Where to?
First blood.
I need it. On alert.
Alam mo ba itong laro na itong walang pinakawalang trail
You have slain an enemy.
na laro?
It is
ML.
my mercy.
Buka ng ina.
Quit it.
You have slain an enemy.
You asked for it.
Turtle.
Attack the turtle.
Dance lang yan.
No questions asked.
Request backup.
Zone lang.
Break. No warmth here.
Zone nyo lang.
What for?
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Basta no.
An enemy has been slain.
Back sa baba. Balik sa baba.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Baba.
That smile is all I have. Don't run.
Launch attack.
Danger. Addictive.
Hindi pala yung Tigreal.
An ally has been slain.
Closing in. Quit it.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Where to?
Killing spree.
Serves the
Nice one.
purpose.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Putang ina, basag ka yung pinagagawa mo sa top.
Our turret is under
Basag dito.
attack. Enemy killing spree.
Ubusin natin to. Ubus to.
Shut down.
Andyan yung Savior.
Mega kill. Attack.
Mercy.
Tipo na.
Request backup. Request backup.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Attack the turtle.
Attack the Lord.
Ano nang kunin yan?
Attack the turtle.
Zone mo, zone mo, zone mo.
Break!
Unstoppable.
You asked for it.
An ally has slain the turtle. Double kill.
It's
Ano
never
na to, boss na yan?
personal.
Triple kill.
The snow. I recall.